How to use Grok AI image generator. First, open the Grok app, or open the X app and access Grok if it's available with your account. Then sign in to your account. Once you're on the chat screen, tap the message box at the bottom. Next, type a detailed prompt describing the image you want to create. For example, you could write, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, neon lights, and ultra-realistic cinematic lighting." The more details you include about the style, colors, lighting, camera angle, or art style, the better your generated image will be. After writing your prompt, tap the Send or Generate button. Grok will create your AI image in a few moments. When the image is ready, tap it to view it in full size. If you want a different result, simply edit your prompt or ask Grok to create another version with changes. Finally, tap the Download or Save option to store the image on your phone, or use the Share button to post it on social media. That's it! You've successfully created an AI image using the Grok AI image generator. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more AI tutorials, image generation tips, and easy tech guides.